Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be bringing to you something amazing, something sizzling hot from the ovens of the Huawei network. Okay, now today I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually create your own token on ALPHA.WORLD.FUN, which is the official launcher of the Huawei network. Now this is a very total game changer because the Huawei network was designed to facilitate real agent-driven transactions. Okay, and now creating your own token would mean establishing your own fundamental economic engine for your entire autonomous world. So now what I want you to do is to stay put as I've recorded every single step that you're going to go through in creating your own token on ALPHA.WORLD.FUN. Okay, the process is very simple. There are no hidden steps. Everything is going to be put out to you here. So all I want you to do is to just watch your screen as I show you how you can actually create your own token by yourself, even with your mobile phone. Okay, thank you.
Okay guys, this is what you need to do. First thing, you need to open the website alpha.world.fun. Right now, after opening the website, I opened on my BitGet wallet. You can use any EVM wallet of your choice. You can even use your normal browser if you're using a mobile device. Now once you open, the first thing you want to do is to connect your wallet. Okay, so now you tap on connect, and then since I'm browsing in the wallet, I'll simply tap on browser wallet and proceed to sign the transactions that are going to pop up on the screen. So all I need to do is to append my signature by using my fingerprint, and that's all. So after I sign the signature, I get into the platform, and then you would notice that my wallet address will begin to show at the top. Okay, you'd see my wallet address there. So once you see your wallet address there, know that you have actually signed into the platform, so you are now connected. Now next thing you want to do is to go to this top left. Okay, tap there, and then once you tap there, you're going to see where it says launch world agent. So that's where we want to tap right now, launch world agent, and then it's going to bring out a list of steps to take. Connect your wallet, choose the token type, choose funding type, submit, and then launch. So what I'm going to do this particular time is to select word idea, right? So I'm going to use the word idea. You can use any type of your choice, but I'm using word idea for the purpose of this video. And then when I select continue, it takes me to fixed price and bonding curve. So I'm going to select fixed price, and then after selecting fixed price, I tap on continue. Now this is the details that I needed to create my token. I'm going to select a token image. You can use any image of your choice. You can actually design a specific image for your token, but since this is a tutorial, I'm going to be using random images. Okay, so but then this is the image of actually a coin, so I'm going to be using it as my image. Now the token banner is not compulsory, it's optional, but I'll suggest to use a Twitter header size, okay, for your token banner. That is if you designed a specific banner for your token. Now I'm going to proceed to fill in these other details very quickly: the project name, the symbol, and then description. Now these places for the X and the website and all of that are optional. So once I'm done with that, I simply check the box to agree with the terms of service, and then once I check the box, next thing I'm going to do is to confirm. Now when I confirm, I wait for a while. It's going to bring out the transaction, and you see that it's very small. The gas fee you're paying less than $0.5. So now once you continue, you sign the transaction, and then you see it saying preparing. You wait for some time, and then boom, when you go back to your home page, everything is set and you see your token there. You can see mine, Pixelbot token. It's there on the home page, and then if you tap on it to open it alongside others that are there, you see them. Once you tap on it and open it, it's going to load the details, and you see every single detail that you have put about your token. You see it there. Now this is how you create your token on world.fun.alpha. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. Thank you.